No, Roger doesn't know. They don't know about us. How steady are you? Okay, if you can, take it high on the shoulder, right smack on the shoulder. Take a deep breath. Get you nice and steady. Okay, I'm ready. Nice shot. Yes, he's down.
Seriously?
He's down on the spot. Just be ready, I'm just checking him out.
He's down.
He's down on the spot. He's down on the spot. You see that one standing where he was almost? He's right behind his ass.
Oh, that felt good.
He just flopped right on the spot.
Seriously?
Yes. They don't even know what's going on. I think it might be closer than we thought. So because you held up high, I think you actually shot him high.
Put him on high. And
I think it was actually closer than we actually thought.
He's down.